Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, you will learn how to get maximum flowering on your hibiscus plant, and believe me, with few tips and tricks, you can get maximum number of flower. To get maximum flower on any hibiscus plant, few points must be taken in consideration. First is to give nutrition so that plant have enough energy to produce leaf, and leaf will develop food and give energy to plant, and plant will then produce maximum number of flower. To get leaves on our hibiscus plant, we must give nitrogen based fertilizer. First step is to clean our plant from pest attack, and also we have to do trimming as shown in this video. With this process, we are helping our hibiscus plant to encourage its new growth and also overall development. Removing of weed is very necessary as they take up 90% of the nutrients from soil, and hibiscus plant does not get that part of it. Point number 2, removing 2 inches of soil. As this soil is of no use as no nutrient part is in it. Now we have to add nutrient, and also this will allow plant root to breathe air. After removing of soil, do tilling up to 1 inches and keep your plant in full sunlight for few days. After few days, you will see a nice and healthy growth in your hibiscus plant. But this is not enough. We have to give extra nutrients so that our plant can get maximum number of flower, and also it get healthy as normal plant with lots of leaves. So we have to give a nitrogen based fertilizer. As we already removed 2 inches of the soil, now it's time to do tilling and to add fertilizer. Before adding fertilizer, we have to do tilling in soil so that fertilizer can easily mix up with soil and plant can absorb its nutrients. We are giving a cow dung fertilizer fully decomposed, which will help our hibiscus plant to grow maximum part of its leaves and also maximum part of flower. After fertilizing your plant, add water in your pot so that decomposition process further start and plant can absorb nutrients from it. With the pass of time, our hibiscus plant will get stronger enough to get maximum number of flower, and for that we have to give our hibiscus plant a bright location. You can see our hibiscus plant is producing a number of flower and flower buds, but we want maximum number of flower to bloom on our hibiscus plant. For this, we have to use a DAP fertilizer which will help our hibiscus plant to get maximum bloom with less time, but this is a short period of blooming. It will not last for longer period as it is a chemical fertilizer, and giving more of chemical fertilizer may harm your hibiscus plant. So try to give in limited quantity. That is, we can give 10 to 15 gravels of DAP in 15 inches of pot. To give DAP fertilizer, we are using a Potli system. It will hold your DAP fertilizer for longer period of time and it will slowly release in soil. Try to bury up to 1 inches away from 1 to 2 inches of plant stem. After adding DAP fertilizer to your plant pot, you have to increase in water frequency as it requires more water to dilute, and plant will absorb more water in this period of time. Now we have to wait for few more days, and after few days you will see maximum number of blooming. So hope friends you got a wonderful idea of getting maximum flower on your hibiscus plant. Try to give maximum nutrients in these days and your hibiscus plant will bloom on maximum. After few days, as DAP fertilizer will get fully absorbed, then our hibiscus plant will bloom as a normal plant and it will give 2-3 flower for every day. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching till end. If you love it, please subscribe my channel and please hit like so that we can get motivated and post more videos. Thanks for watching.